I thought churches were there to encourage positive behaviors. So what happened? Because I just learned that a church just built a prison in Ghana. Couldn't they have built a company that could employ people? What is the purpose of the prison? And what is the idea behind the prison? If I apply common sense, what the church is telling us is that we should misbehave so that they can imprison us. I even learned that they are trying to build another one somewhere. Please, if you have conscience and you think about your society and you think about your members and you think about the citizens of the country, then the best thing you could do is to create jobs. Everybody now relies on the government. Because of that, the government cannot do much. The government is the largest employer in the country right now. But it shouldn't be that. Private enterprises like the church can also create jobs for the people to do, instead of the people relying mainly on the government. In America, the government is not the largest employer. That is why everyone can come here and be confident that they can get something doing. But what is happening in Ghana? The private enterprises that's supposed to help the government in creating jobs, they are now building prisons. And what baffles me is that it's not any other enterprise than a church. A church which is supposed to promote positive behavior is promoting unemployment so that we cannot get job doing but engage in unlawful activities in order for us to be arrested in the prisons they are building. Pentecost Church, this is not your job. Your job is to change behavior from negative to positive. My people, at this stage, we need common sense to interpret what the Pentecost Church did. What I see right now is control, because the church wants to control you. They don't want you to be self-reliant. They want you to depend on them. And if they don't help you, then what happens? You end up in jail. It is about time that we the people stand up to speak against any unreasonable act. This is unreasonable. It doesn't make sense to the sensible man. So let's apply common sense to reason with Avram Ben Moshe to ask whether what the Pentecost Church did was morally reasonable or not. I leave the rest for you to judge. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.